Looking for hosting that's fast, secure, and affordable? In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you what really matters when picking web hosting and why Hostinger checks all the boxes. Welcome to Offers Collection, your one-stop channel for the best hosting and VPN deals. When choosing a web host, the first thing to look at is speed. A slow site means frustrated visitors and lower rankings. Hostinger is powered by LiteSpeed servers and built-in caching, which means your website loads fast, even if you're running WordPress with lots of plugins. Next up is reliability. You don't want your site going offline when customers visit. Hostinger offers a 99.9% uptime guarantee, with monitoring tools that keep your site available around the clock. Ease of use is another big factor. Hostinger's control panel is beginner-friendly, with one-click WordPress installs, simple domain management, and automatic backups. If you're just starting out, this saves you a ton of time. Beyond the basics, Hostinger includes a free website builder with drag-and-drop design, plus an AI website generator for quick site creation. You'll also find tools like free email accounts, SSL certificates, and optional managed WordPress features for extra performance. And of course, price matters. Hostinger is one of the most budget-friendly hosting providers, but they don't cut corners on quality. You get premium features for a fraction of the cost of big competitors. If you want to grab Hostinger at the best discount, I've left the coupon link right at the top of the description. Click it, and the savings are applied automatically. Which Hostinger feature matters most to you? Speed, AI tools, or pricing? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more deal guides.